So we build rare disease communities, one rare disease at a time. We go really deep and provide all kinds of information and opportunity for patients and community members and physicians and pharma, doctors, key opinion leaders to all come together in one place and play nice in the sandbox together. Why FAP? Because we were approached by a company who was developing a drug in FAP, and it's a small rare disease company based in Tucson, Arizona, and they understand that rare disease is different, and you need to do different things than, say, Big Pharma does with all those resources to bring everybody together so we can learn about the disease, accelerate understanding, accelerate recruitment to trials. So I was talking to the CEO about that, and it just sort of, a light clicked on. I said, this is a better, smarter way we can do this with technology, by providing emotional support, curated disease information, and access to clinical trials for the community. Our ideal situation is when everybody partners together, pharmaceutical company, plus advocacy group, plus academic center, plus professional society, or even multiple pharmaceutical companies working together to make this solution available to that rare disease community for free. So we can work on it with the advocacy groups to try to work with them to try to find the funding for it. Some advocacy groups are really well funded and they can do it on their own. Plus it's a modular solution, so we can pick and choose which different parts of it we want to offer. So one of the things we do is we connect people in a discussion board, but rather than sort of liking somebody's experience, we offer hugs, thanks, and prayers, because that's more sensitive to the rare disease journey. And the other thing we do is we have software that looks at the discussions going on in that feed and uses natural language search to find content that's related to that particular discussion. So if I'm in the FAP voice community and I'm having an issue with desmoids, and I start a discussion on desmoids, the software finds a lot of other information that I might be interested in on desmoids. So the software does a lot of that hard work for the community. So we're building a patient-reported information solution where patients provide both their clinical journey, their life journey, and then they also have the opportunity to attach sentiments to it. So the clinical journey is misdiagnosis, treatment, surgery, whatever it had, that office visits to my cardiologist, my rheumatologist, my GP, all that clinical journey and how they felt. So they can attach, I was depressed, or I felt victorious, or I'm happy. So now we're adding quality of life information into that clinical journey. But we also had life journey. Graduated from high school, got married, had a child, joined an advocacy group, and how'd they feel at that time? So we add emotions from a sentiment palette into each one of those events. So